share your screen with us or just hold it up to the screen right now?
All right, I'll do.
I'm gonna find it first, so
I'll
maybe
do
that.
12. Rosie, how about I do 12? You can do.
11 sounds good.
Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see
Yep.
my screen? Okay. Well, one sec. All right. So.
Cool beans. Awesome. So I see you have written down the multiples of 12 at the top, which is just like skip counting by 12s. So did you want to skip count by 12s for us? If you want, try it without looking.
Okay, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, and 120.
Perfect. Awesome. And there's your maze. And you didn't go diagonally. Awesome. Nice job, Dash.
Thanks. Let me stop my share. All right.
Cool. Rosie disappeared. There you are, Rosie. Are you ready? Unmute yourself.
Not quite yet.
Not quite. All right. Well, we could do a little bit of dividing, like a speed round while we're waiting for you.
Okay.
So I'm going to open up a multiplication chart. Oops. I thought I already up. Where'd it go? I will get it right now.
All right. That works?
Yeah, we can see you now.
Okay. Here, Hadley. Here's
Hadley, can you see the multiplication chart?
Yes.
Perfect. We're going to use it to practice doing very quick dividing skills, since we do use multiplication to help us divide. So I'll put on a spotlight, maybe to give you some help, and shout out the answer. If you
24 divided by 6 equals 4.
What about 36 divided by 6?
36 divided by 6 is 6.
6. Well, you were on 24, so.
You're right, I know. How about 27 divided
3
by 3?
is 9 or 7. Wait,
No.
hold on. No, sorry, you're right. 9.
Okay, so 27 divided by 3 equals 9. By the way, can you guys write these down as we're doing them? Like I write them down too. I write down 36 divided by 6 is 6, and 27 divided by 3 is.
I had a piece of paper. Where'd it go?
Here's how it looks when I write. Whew, I try to do my best. Here's the dividing symbol, a line, and 2 dots. It's sort of like you're sharing 2 cookies, and the line helps you keep the cookies separate from your 2 friends.
Did you watch your vlog video yet?
3 equals 9. All right, what about 60 divided by 10?
6.
6.
Good job. I'll give you a second to write it. 60 divided by 10 equals 6. 64 divided by 8.
9.
Nine.
Sorry. Yeah, 9.
8.
No,
8.
8. Sorry, 8. That's 72.
And then why don't you each get a turn to tell me what division problem I should write down? Like tell me where I should put the spotlight and help me come up with a division problem. We'll do Rosie, Dash, then Hadley, because that's the order I see you in my Zoom. What would you like, Rosie?
Okay. 48 and 4.
Oh, so I'm in the 4 family. Okay, scroll down.
What?
48 divided by 4 you would like, Rosie?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's your answer?
12.
Perfect. Dash, you're next. Where do you want the spotlight?
I want the spotlight on 63.
63, the one in the 9s family?
What? Yeah.
Okay.
So 63 divided by 7 is 9.
Okay. So I guess I'll go to the 7s family. 63 divided by 7 is 9. Cool. And Hadley, where would you like the spotlight?
I'm not sure. Maybe on like 45.
Sure. So I find 45 right here. So I see I'm in the 5s column and the 9 row. So want to give me a dividing problem with 45?
45 divided by 9 equals 5.
Perfect.
Can I share my screen now?
Yeah, you ready to share your homework?
Okay.
Okay, while Rosie is doing that, I will show you guys my collection of mini instruments. So a mini saxophone, and I use these, of course, for VIP kid. Mini trombone.
Oh man, where's my mouse? There we go.
Don't know if you guys can still see. Ash, can you see this one?
It's a mini guitar.
Perfect. Bradley, can you see this one?
The mini violin.
Perfect. What about this really teeny tiny thing?
Flute.
Yeah, mini flute. Let's see, I've got 2 more.
Trumpet.
Nice, you guys know your instruments. Now what about this number?
French horn.
Oh, I thought I was gonna trick you with that, darn.
My mom played French horn in high school.
Oh, cool. Rosie, want to just hold up to the screen even though your screen is small? There's only 4 of us, so your screen's still pretty big.
So
This. All right, I see the multiples of 11 written at the top. Do you want to try to skip count by 11s without looking?
11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 77, 88, and 99.
I suppose that's an easy one to skip count by.
And then 110 and 121.
Sweet, and you didn't do any diagonals. Good job on your homework. Hadley, did you want to show us any of your mazes?
Sure, I'll show you guys maybe the 9.
Okay. Nice job. So the multiples at the top are skip counting by 9s. Want to try to skip count without looking?
No, I don't know.
Okay, then skip count with looking.
Let's see. There's 9, 18, 27, 36. I'm not sure.
See how it's the 5? It's going to end in a 5.
55?
45.
45.
And then 9 times 6 is 54.
54.
63.
3. 70. No. 72.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 80. No.
You're right. 80.
6.
81.
81, and then 90.
Perfect. 9 times 10 is 90. Let's see your maze. I love it. You didn't go diagonal and you only touched the multiples. Perfect. All right, y'all did a great job on your homework. So what number do we all want?
4.
Alrighty.
8.
You got like a million stars.
8.
Okay, fine. We'll pick one more number, number 8. Ah, you guys keep finding the star ones. Nice job. So now we're going to go to today's work, which is in your packet, and it is quiz 13. It's called, and it looks like this.
I did that already.
Yeah, so we're just going to go over like the answers, how we solved it, and all that good jazz.
Okay.
So we'll see how quickly we can move through this. By the way, do either or any of you have an 11 o'clock Zoom, just so I can make sure you get out on time?
No, but I do want to be done by 11 because I'm trying to get all my work done by 12 so I can watch a movie with my sister this afternoon.
All right, so we'll be sure to get done by 11. Dash, want to read number 1 about Saatchi?
Sure. Sachi has 238 rocks in her collection. I do. She finds 47 more rocks. Then she gives 159 rocks to her brother. How many rocks does Sachi have left? One sec, let me go grab my book. I don't stop me.
All right. Hadley, these two numbers, 238 and 159, should I be subtracting or adding them?
Subtracting.
All right. And if I use the standard way to subtract, I'm gonna start in the ones, and I think we're going to encounter more on the floor go next door. So let's make sure we show our work. If I go into the tens place, how many tens in 238?
3.
3. So if I borrow one, I'll just have 2 left over. We'll bring 10 on over. So the 8 becomes what number now?
7. No. The 8 becomes.
71.
See how I started with just an 8 and then I brought
Oh,
it
yeah.
over?
I can't actually see your screen
Really?
because Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some features of this. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. It was on my side. Never mind. It was on
Are
mine.
we good now?
Yeah.
All right, so what is 238 minus 159?
I actually did the other way where I added 247 because that's
Yeah,
how many-
I did too.
Sure. All right, tell me what my answer would be for 238 plus 47.
285.
280 something. Let me go to that page. 5.
2.
Yes, 285. And then you have to subtract 159. And how many would you get left over?
126.
126, sorry.
All right. Dash, can you use your annotating skills on the screen to do the subtracting and explain to us how you do it?
Yeah, okay. Mommy. Get situated. Okay.
You probably
So-
want to use a thin, like, pencil, maybe not
Yeah.
that one.
Alright, so what's the problem? 285 minus 159?
Yeah,
Whoa.
can you see how I wrote it in red already?
Okay, so 9 minus 5, you can't do that, so you have to cross out the 5. And one sec. You have to cross out the 5. That becomes 15. What is happening? Then you have to cross out this guy. That becomes 7. And then 9 minus 5 is 4. Sorry, 9 minus 15. Sorry, it's 6.
15
Sorry,
minus 9 is 6, okay.
Sorry, I was thinking about something else. And then 5 minus 7 is 2.
7 minus 5, you mean?
Yeah, 7 minus 5. And then 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's 126.
Awesome. Okay, so Sachi has 126 rocks left. Did everyone get 126?
I did, yeah.
I did too.
And you too, Hadley?
I haven't done my problem yet. I'm working on it right now.
Oh, okay. So just let us know when you copy down your work and we'll go on to the next one.
Okay, 126, yeah.
Perfect. Let's keep on going. Hadley, would you read number 2 about Dwayne?
Wayne buys 4 sets of basketball cards. Each set has 125 cards. He gives away 70 cards to his friend. Wayne makes an equation that can be used to find how many cards Dwayne has left.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. So when I hear the word set, that automatically makes me think groups. And that makes me think multiplication and division, because that's when we're putting things in groups. And so if I were to picture a drawing in my mind, would I picture 4 circles that I can draw, or should I draw 125 circles?
4.
4.
Yes, because 4 is the number of,
Groups.
Sets or
Group.
yeah. And Dash, if you want to write the number 125 inside each group. Okay. So then Hadley, if I'm just looking at this drawing where there's 4 groups and 125 in each, and I need to write a multiplying sentence, what would I be multiplying together?
125 times 4.
Perfect. So when they're asking me to choose one of the expressions inside this box, I'm going to go ahead and cross everything out that's not 125 times 4. So let me cross out this guy. And then Dash, if you see any other ones that we can cross out, go ahead and cross them out. Anything that's not 125 times 4. Okay, anything else? Yep, that one is times 70, so that's wrong. Okay, so we've only got 2 choices left. Hadley, can you read for me? I'll try to draw a nice big arrow towards it. What is our first choice for an equation?
Our first choice is 4 times 105. Wait, 4 times 125 subtract 70.
Subtract 70.
And then 4 times 125 plus 70.
All right, so the only way to figure out if it's plus or minus is to go back to the word problem. And does anyone want to read the highlighted sentence? Rosie?
He gives away 70 cards to his friends.
All right.
Away.
Gives away. So the expression that I'm going to circle will be the one with gives away 70. So can you, Dash, I'll make sure you have circled 4 times 125 minus 70.
Got it.
We do have to solve because the triangle is going to be equal to the number of cards he has left. So if we actually take this expression and solve it, that will be how many cards he has left. Or 125 times 4, think about money. So 125 in terms of money would be $1 and how many cents?
25.
Yeah. So if I just write out $1.25 4 times, that's going to make it easy to do the multiplying because I will add this together 4 times.
$5.
Addition. Yeah, Rosie, tell me how you figured out it was $5. Like, what did you add in your brain?
Well, I know that 25 times 4 is 100. And
All right, so you took the quarters, you added 4 quarters together, and you got $1 or 100.
And then I also just added the dollars together, which is 4.
Yeah,
Oh.
adding the dollars together, you have 4 plus 1 is 5. Perfect. So 125 times 4 is 500. 500 pennies, $5, same. So is my answer 500? Like all
No.
Mm-mm.
No, what did I forget to do, Hadley?
Subtract.
What happened was you forgot. I just had it. Wait, where was it?
Let me go ahead and draw an arrow.
May I?
How do you draw on the screen again?
You press so up at the top it says view options, and then you can press annotate, ANNOTA.
Wait, Heather, you have an iPad or a computer?
Computer.
Okay, yeah. Then go up.
Okay, what am I supposed to do?
Press.
My question is,
view options at the top and click it, and then press annotate,
Okay.
and then it will give you options. It says mouse, text, and then draw. I assume you want to draw on the screen, and so press one of those.
Can you guys see this line I just drew?
Which line?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So
So
what's
Hadley, my question is, why is the answer not just 500? What do I have left to do to solve? How many cards are left? Take a
you
look at
you need to subtract 70.
yes. And so what is 500 take away 70?
500 take away 70. I'll draw it for you guys. 500. Subtract 70.
Careful to put the 70 in the tens. You have to put 70 in the hundreds.
What's that? Let's see.
So the 7.
Okay. 70.
Mhm.
And that would be 0, and then wait, no. Oh my gosh, where's the button to redo that? Okay. 0, and then that would be a 7. And then
I think there's more on the floor to go next door.
I'm not sure like what this drawing means, so
That's all right. I have 0 and I'm trying to take away 7. But can't do that.
you take away
Or
5.
borrow.
That
Mhm.
becomes a 4.
Yep.
That becomes a 10. And 10 subtract 7 equals 3.
Mhm.
3. And then here 4 here. And the answer is 430.
Perfect. I'll go ahead and erase this, and then maybe Rosie will read number 3 for us.
Okay. A farmer has 36 peaches in a box. She picks 24 more peaches and adds them to the box. She fills more boxes in the same way and ends up with 5 boxes with the same number of peaches in each box. How many peaches are there in 5 boxes? Cody says there are 65 peaches in the boxes. Is he correct? Explain your answer.
All right. So, Dash, do you know what 36 plus 24 is?
36 plus 24 is 60.
Okay. So, Hadley, how many peaches are in each box?
Let me see. 70?
So, we have to add 36 and 24 to tell
Can
us
I do that?
peaches are in each box. Sorry that my boxes are different sizes.
It's fine. Okay. What was the question again?
How many peaches are in each box based on what Dashel did? We had to add 36 and 24.
Okay, so 46 and 24 equals 60. So 60 and I'm not sure.
Because it says 36 and 24 are in each box. So that means 60 peaches are in.
A box, so 60 times 3. 6 times 3.
The question is just how many peaches are in each box?
60 then?
Perfect. Yeah, I'm sorry if my question was confusing. 60 in
Cody's
each box. And Rosie, how many boxes?
5. So
What would my multiplication problem be?
60 times 5.
All right, 60 times 5. And if I use the place value trick, I just remember that I could do 6 times 5,
30.
which is 30. And then
Add the 0, 300.
bring 30 over to the hundreds place, move it over a place value. So 30 becomes 300. All right. Why is Cody incorrect? What did Cody do with the number 60 and the number 5?
He added 5.
Mm-hmm. Cody added 60 plus 5. That's why he is incorrect. Instead of 60 taken 5 times. Alrighty, so you guys could copy that down if you don't have something already for your explanation.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I said. All right, are we doing the end of lesson 13 as well?
I would like to try to do it super quick because there's more on division that I would like to do with you guys, and I'm trying to get us done by 11. All right, let's see. Ash, would you want to take number 4 and just tell us from start to finish what you did to solve it?
4? Sure. Where's 4?
Bobby and his classmates.
Okay. So, it's basically, so they said the class goal is to raise $348. They raised $8 each day for 9 days. How much more money do they need to raise their goal? So, 8 times 9 is 72, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so, 72 minus 348 is what? Well, I think here, wait. What?
So you have 148.
You have to subtract. So, so 72. No. I didn't see this page. I only thought it was the first 3. So I
No
didn't see.
problem.
So let me just. So this is like me doing this for the first time. So let me try and do it. All right. So 348 minus 72 is 26. And then 7 minus 4, you can't do that. So 2, 14. Sorry, this is really messy. It's hard to do with like
It's
these small. Alright, but 14 minus 7 is 7, and 7 minus 2, you can't do that. So
You mean in the hundreds place, there's 2, take away nothing. 7 was
oh yeah.
the place.
Alright, so nothing. Alright, so it has to be 276.
Yes. And I think my last question would just be, Hadley, why did we do 8 times 9?
8 times 9 because it said they raised $8 for 9 days.
Mm-hmm. So 9 days could be like how many groups? There's 9 groups, and there's $8 in each group if I wanted to draw all those circles, which I don't. So they already have 72, but the question was how much more money do they need? And when we have how many more, we subtract. We're not adding to find the bigger total. So we subtracted and got 276. All right, part B. Let me clear all the drawings. Part B says the school's media center will get $100 of the money raised. And the table shows some of the items the media center uses. Like a USB flash drive, how much does that cost?
$9.
Yeah, $9. So we would be looking at A all the way down to E and using multiplication to see if the answer could be exactly $100. So I'll tell you right now, it's not A, but let's just really quick prove that it's not A. If you guys will just tell me what I need to multiply. It says 6 USB flash drives. So I'm taking the number 6 and I'm multiplying it by what?
By 9.
Yes, because 9 is where?
9 is how much the USB flash drive cost.
Yeah, so 6 flash drives when you have $9 for each one. And that gives me 54. Okay. What about
So
9
that's not it.
pencil sharpeners? I've got the number 9. And what do I multiply happily for 9 pencil sharpeners? 9 times
9 times. So wait, what was the question? What said items?
Oh, if I have 9 pencil sharpeners and I need to find out what's the total cost if I buy 9, I take the number 9 and I multiply it by what?
6.
Chart.
No. 9 times 9.
What was your answer, Hadley? Sorry.
9 times 9.
And because 9 is what?
Because 9 times 9 is
Like,
81.
where do you see 9 on the chart?
The 1, 2, 3. The one that says USB flash drive.
Okay, but we already did USB flash drive where I took 6 of them and then I multiplied 6 by 9 and I got 54.
5 times
Real quick
9.
at the pencil sharpeners.
Pencil sharpeners. 5 times 9.
Yes, and Rosie, you had that too. So I would do 5 times 9. And that gives me, how many, Dash?
Well, the kids. Well, 5 times 9 is 45.
Perfect. So now I have 2 separate totals. I've got 54 because that's how much it costs to buy 6 flash drives. And I've got 45 because that's how much it costs to buy the pencil sharpeners. What do I do with these 2 numbers that I've got?
Add them together.
All right. And unfortunately, it equals 99.
So close.
So A doesn't count because my answer needs to equal exactly
100.
exactly 100. So to help us do this quickly, I'll tell you which 2 are the correct answers, and you just have to prove to me that they really do equal 100. So I'm going to circle B because B
And
is
E.
correct, and E. All right, so just tell me what I multiply together, and let's prove that it equals 100. Start with B.
So, well, B is 8 times, pencil sharpeners are 5, and 8, so it would be 8 times 5, and that's 40.
40.
And then 10 mouse pads, and mouse pads are 60. And so that would be, they want 10 mouse pads, and each mouse pad is 6. And so 10 times 6 is 60, and 60 plus 40 is 100. So
Perfect. That's why B is correct. And 60 plus 40 equals 100. So you guys can even write that next to letter B, just like you see it in the blue.
I can't see the screen here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I only see you.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I don't know why that happens, but we'll just share the screen again. All right, everybody see now?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we did is we circled letter B, we circled letter E, and then next to B, we wrote down the proof of why it equals 100. 8 pencil sharpeners times $5 a piece. That means it costs $40. Then they wanted 10 mouse pads, and the 10 mouse pads would each cost $6, so that gives me $60. And $60 plus $40 equals $100. Okay, thanks for all the arrows. between Dashiell and Hadley, who wants to prove that E is correct? Go ahead, Dash. I'll write while you talk.
Okay. Well, 9 times 9.
And how'd you get that?
Well, 9 USB flash drives, which each cost $9.
Okay, and that equals
81. And 1 keyboard, which is 19. Sorry, yeah, 19.
okay.
And 81 plus 19 is 100.
Perfect. You guys just want to hold up your papers to the screen once you wrote down how we proved that B is correct. Beautiful. Now we're done with today's work, and I'll just do a little bit more with you guys about dividing. Let's see. Dash, did you show me yours?
What? Yeah.
Okay, and then Hadley, can I see your beautiful work?
Yeah, I dropped my thing a couple of seconds ago, so I need to pick it up. What page?
We are on the page, let's see what page it is. It says 70, and it looks like this, where it's quiz 13. At least it's page 70 for me.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And so did you have anything written down for B or no?
Oh, no, not yet.
Okay. And did you have anything like circled for number 4, the answer about Tavi and his classmates?
No, I just, when I dropped it, you were in the middle of saying something, so I didn't just bend down and get it.
Okay. Do you want to have your mom text me after you do number 4 and like the part B, just so I know that you finished it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what we can do is take notes on dividing. So if you guys have maybe the back of your paper or a blank piece of paper. And can you copy down the division vocab? We've got the dividend, which means what's being shared. The divisor, which is how many people we're sharing with. And the quotient is how many each person gets. Now, if you guys don't mind, I will unmute you so we could talk while you're writing. So, why do you think I put people in quotation marks? How many people are being shared with?
Well, because it's not always people.
Yeah, sometimes I might be sharing by putting items into boxes. So it might be how many boxes we're sharing with.
Or how many treats you're giving to a dog or a cat.
Yeah, so it might be how many each dog gets. And then I have this, I'll hold it up to the screen and we'll talk about why I have first, second, and third. And when you have it all down, maybe we could pick a number since we haven't done that in a while.
Yeah.
That'll be amazing. So Hadley, you can see where it says dividend and divisor?
Yeah.
Okay. So knowing these words are going to help us divide. Should I do a stopwatch, see how long it takes you guys?
Sure.
Okay,
Sure.
starting now.
Okay.
Mhm. Mm, 13 seconds on the clock. How quickly can these mathematicians write down their vocabulary? Let's see. Moorhead Meerkats. Oh, so far one player is done. Let's see, we have 2 more math athletes trying to copy down our vocabulary. How quickly can they work?
Oh,
Boom. All right, one more. Oh, great job. It took us as a team 40 seconds. So good job, Meerkats. Can you guys still see the screen if I pull up just a blank whiteboard?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. So I'm going to write on the screen.
I can't see. All I see is division vocab still.
Okay, I'll stop the share and start it again. Thank you, Izzy. We see the blank screen now?
No.
So you don't see a number that I'm writing?
Okay, now I do. Now I do.
Perfect. Rosie, do you see it?
Yeah.
All right. So go ahead and copy this problem down. 555 divided by 14 equals question mark. And we're not going to solve it. We are just going to label it first, second, and third. The first number I see, the second number I see, and the third number I see. Third one, we don't even know what it is yet. Okay, everybody labeled it?
Mm-hmm.
So, can you see the notes now?
What notes?
The ones that you wrote down, division vocab, or no?
No.
Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, now we can see the notes?
Yes.
Okay, so what number comes first in this division equation?
The
500 or the dividend.
Yeah,
555.
that's the dividend. Perfect. What number do you see second?
11.
14. Or sorry, yeah.
Oh yeah, it was supposed to say 14. Thank you.
14.
14 is the
Dividend.
14 is the divisor.
Divisor, sorry.
No problem. And what do you see third?
Quote.
Question mark. Or
The
you
question.
don't know.
Which we don't know, which would be the quotient. Great job. All right, now I'm gonna write another dividing problem. And I'll ask you guys some questions. What is the dividend? What do you see first?
Be it 7.
The dividend, what do you see first?
Oh, sorry, 56.
Okay. What is the divisor? What do you see second?
7.
Perfect. And the quotient dash?
The quotient would be 8.
Awesome. Let's try a drawing to show you the exact same problem. So we are going to start by writing 56. Then with 56, we start at the very bottom and we draw this symbol, which means divided by. So the number I see first is 56. Everybody have this drawing copied down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on.
And this little symbol means divided by. So the number I see first is still 56. Okay?
Okay.
And the number I see second is, was my divisor last time 56 divided by 7 or 56 divided by 8?
7.
7.
Okay. So the number right outside is 7. And the answer we said is 8. So if we can label this, just like we did before,
Okay.
6 is the number we see first. If we think of moving in a circle, let's go ahead and move in a circle from the bottom to the top. Number 7 is what I see second. And 8 is what I see third. All right, so this is a drawing and you've got the arrow, first, second, and third. Can you hold it up to the screen once you got it?
The bottom here.
Perfect. Dash, I can see even though your green screen makes it a little tricky. And Hadley, do you have yours all done? Or you did, I see 56 first, and then I see 7, and then I see 8 last. Perfect. All right. Let's actually pick a number. I think I told you guys we were going to do that. What would we like?
9.
You forgot
9,
to
then
do
maybe 6 after that. Okay, this is 9 if you want to try to replicate that dance. It's called the box step, actually. And just for fun, number 6. Woo.
Why are they all Spider-Man?
Because I picked a Spider-Man one. Amazing! Spectacular. So, good job, guys. All right. Let's see if you guys know how to read some division.
Can I have a turn?
Oh, yes. Sorry,
You
Heads.
got me last time too. 10.
10. Beautiful. You found all the
For,
stuff.
for some reason, the stars are always on the most obvious ones.
So, all right, so before we finish up, guys, let's see if you know how to read some division problems. Let's try reading from left to right. So let's see, Deshel, can you read this one for me?
65 divided by nothing equals 10.
Oh, did I draw an equal sign? Oh, all I wanted to draw was 65 divided by 10. Rosie, can you read this division problem?
Hold on. Okay. 63 divided by 3.
Okay. Hadley, can you read this one?
50 divided by 10.
All right. Now I'm going to do the trickier ones where it's that drawing. Just remember to follow the circle from bottom to top for which numbers that you see first. So let's see. Rosie, how would I read this division problem?
50 divided by 10
Perfect. You started from the bottom.
equals 5.
Mm-hmm. Hadley, how would I read this division problem?
63 divided by 3.
Perfect. And Dash, how would I read this one?
122 divided by 2.
So you guys know how to read division problems, and that's half the battle, honestly. So there is this strategy that we'll learn about next time, and it's called the box method. So I know you guys have used this method when we multiply. There is a way to use it when we divide too. Before I show you the box method, there's these 4 steps that you need to copy down. So go ahead and do that, and that might be the last thing you get to do today. First step, estimate the quotient by rounding divisor. Oh, that sounds like a foreign language, but it will be easy once you see it in action. Estimate is like make your best guess. Step 2 is what, Rosie?
Use multiples of divisors.
Use multiples, which we did practice using multiples in our mazes. Multiples is like skip counting. Number 3 dash is
Fruit Ninja.
Fruit Ninja, which I will hopefully explain right before you guys log out. And step 4, Hadley?
Bring over leftover 0, divide.
Yes. So my friend Fruit Ninja is very fair. And I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but zeros sort of look like a piece of fruit. Like imagine a watermelon, since watermelons are round. Now Fruit Ninja is very fair. And so he looks at both sides instead of just only looking at one side. So in this Fruit Ninja, since he's very fair, he looks at both sides of the dividing symbol. We've got 600 on one side and 10 on the other side. And which number kind of looks like fruit to you guys? The 6 or the zeros?
The 0.
The 0. And the Fruit Ninjas like to chop things, right? And the Fruit Ninja says, well, is there one piece of fruit that I could chop on this side of the dividing symbol and the other side so that it's fair? They each get one chopped? And the answer, of course, is yes. I could chop a piece of fruit on this side and that side. So if you guys want to write down 600 divided by 10 and use the Fruit Ninja to chop one piece of fruit on each side so that it's fair. And then step 4, Dashel says, bring over, want to read step 4 for us one last time?
Sure. Bring over leftover 0, then divide.
So the Fruit Ninja helped us, but there's still the leftover 0 that did not get chopped by the Fruit Ninja. You see it in yellow? You guys can see the leftover 0 in yellow, yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I brought him over to the other side of the equal sign, and then I divide to find my answer. What happens if I divide 6 by 1?
So it equals 6.
Yeah. Because my one friend gets all 6 cookies. And that's why 600 divided by 10 is 60. And that's really all we have time for today. Just make sure you have your notes copied for us.
I gotta go.
Hold them up to the screen, and then I will see you Thursday.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thanks for taking such good notes, and have a great day. Bye. Bye, Heather.
Bye.